All right, as we get ready for a new season, wanted to go over a quick update with TrackWrestling.com, a new feature that they've added. So we're going to show that through the Youth Super State Tournament. So here we're going to click on the tournament. We're going to enter the event as a viewer. Once we're in the tournament, over here on the left-hand side, the new feature is this My Wrestlers little tab here. So we're going to click on that. We need to log in. Now this login is a free login, so you don't have to pay for that to have an account with Track. Once you log in, this is where it's going to take you. So this basically is to track the wrestlers you want to track in your tournament. So here you have my teams. You can add a team, and for this sake, let's add Box Elder Stinger. So I'm going to add them right there, and all of a sudden, all the wrestlers that from Box Elder that wrestled at the Youth Super State Tournament are going to come up. So here you can add individual wrestlers as well. You can add multiple teams. So here you hit add wrestlers, it has every wrestler in there. You can add them one by one, or if there's only a couple kids you want to follow or see how they did. So now here are all the wrestlers. It shows their division, what mat they're on, what place they came in, how many points they scored. So pretty easy to follow. The neat thing about this feature is the bracket. So here, if you want to click on the bracket will show up, and the wrestler will be highlighted in yellow. So you can see here Caleb's highlighted in yellow, and you can follow nice and easy. So I'm gonna exit out of that. We're gonna go down, just pick another one. Let's pick Colvin Thompson. We're gonna click on the bracket here, and again you can see very easily the name is highlighted in yellow. You're not stuck looking for their name all day. So exit out of that. And again, this is kind of a new feature to follow your wrestlers, see what mat they're on. This can be used before the tournament is over. I'm just using one that's over because that's what we have right now. So anyways, hope this helped you guys. Just a nice little feature, new feature with TrackWrestling.com.